Get excited about the 2015 Dodge Charger. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.